Hi, I'm Nick, or as my kids know me, Mr. Saldivar, and I'm going to be your guide through these origami bird puppets. So the great thing about a video is you can pause me, you can rewind me, you can, on YouTube, go ahead and slow me down as well. Feel free to do whatever you need to do to make sure that your bird puppets are looking good. Now, you can use the video with the kids, or if you want to go ahead and do it on your own, you can use the step-by-step guide and go ahead and put it under your own document camera. I'm going to send you over to mine so you guys can see the step-by-step instructions, and I'll see you on the other end for flight lessons. So you're going to start with a normal sheet of paper like this. You're going to grab the right corner and you're going to pull it all the way down to here. Make sure the edges are all lined up before you go, and you put a really good crease down the side. Grab a pair of scissors and then go ahead and cut off that little rectangle down at the bottom. Once you finish cutting, you can put your scissors away and get rid of that rectangle. You don't need it anymore. Open it up and you're going to have a square. Grab the bottom and then you're going to fold it all the way up to the top. Make sure the edges line up and put a crease down there at the bottom. Now there's a line you can't see there. That's the guiding line. I'm going to put it in a black marker so you can see it a little bit better. This is going to become really important later on. Take your triangle and you're going to fold that little piece over like that. Now you see in the directions I talk about the sail and the boat. Put that crease in there. That piece is the boat. This piece is the sail. You're going to grab from the left side of the boat and you're going to fold it all the way towards the guiding line. Once you've got it lined up, it's not over the line, put a really good crease right there. You're going to do the same thing on the left side. Get as close to the guiding line as you can. Then you're going to go ahead and open it up. But this time, you're going to grab from the sail. Grab from the sail, and you can see it's going to start to stick up. Go ahead and put your finger right there between the sail and the boat. What you're making now is the wing. Put a crease there, another one there, and grab the right side of the sail. Put your finger between the boat and the sail on the right side. Go ahead and fold that wing down nice and flat. One crease, crease two. Grab the top part, which is now the newfound triangle. Fold the triangle over. Once you get it all set up, you're going to want to put a really good crease in here. It's going to help you in the next step. Put that crease right there. And you're going to fold the triangle back up. You're going to open up this area here. And there's the newly found fold. I'm going to put that in red marker so you can see that a little bit clearer. Now you're going to open up those two pieces of paper like that. Right? Now to go back. You open that up, you open that up, pull that down towards that red line. Now, you can see you're going to have to kind of fold the paper in. You're going to have to move it around a little bit to make it lay the way you want it to. But what you're essentially creating right now is a diamond that's going to be the head and the tail of the bird. There's your diamond. Fold the bird in half, and you're almost done. Take one wing, fold it over, and put a really good crease there. Flip the bird over, put another crease in there, and voila! Your bird is almost ready to take flight. Now if you made it with the computer paper, it'll be about this size. If you made it with the recommended drawing paper size, it's going to be a little bit bigger. And you can see it's got a nice tail here and beak in the front. You're going to take your single hole punch, put a hole in the tail of the bird, put another hole in the beak of the bird. Your student should go ahead and design their bird, and when it's done, it'll look a little something like this. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your juggling scarf. Find a corner of the juggling scarf, any corner will do, and then take that corner and put it through the hole that you made in the tail of the bird. Pull it all the way through to till about half of the scarf is on each side of the tail. Take your twine and you're going to go ahead and thread it through the hole that you made in the beak of the bird. Once you get it through the hole, you want to go ahead and tie a little knot so it's secure. I usually tie 2 or 3 knots. Take the other end of your twine and tie it around the end of the bamboo rod. I usually do 2 or 3 knots to make sure it's nice and secure. Then go ahead and grab your rubber band and put it around that knot you just made. We're going to speed this up so you don't have to watch me do it 30 times. And then you're done. Alright, so you're ready for flying lessons. Make sure you're going in the directions your bird wants to go. If I go the other way, he doesn't fly as well. Sometimes upside down. Check out my step-by-step guide, which is going to have more helpful tips as you're flying your birds. Also, shorter string tends to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.